You just bought a house. Congratulations. You know exactly what your mortgage payment is. What most new homeowners do not know is that their mortgage payment is only the beginning. There are costs built into homeownership that almost nobody explains before you sign. Costs that are automatic, unavoidable, and significant. Today, we are going to expose the hidden $21,000 that the average homeowner pays every year on top of their mortgage. And we're going to show you exactly where it comes from so you can plan for it, budget for it, and never be blindsided by it. Let us start with the mortgage illusion, because this is where the misunderstanding begins. When most people calculate whether they can afford a home, they look at the monthly mortgage payment and compare it to rent. If the mortgage payment is close to their rent, they conclude the house is affordable. This comparison is fundamentally incomplete because rent is your total housing cost. A mortgage payment is not. Your landlord pays the property taxes. Your landlord pays for the roof. Your landlord pays for the broken HVAC. When you own a home, you pay all of those things, plus your mortgage, plus insurance, plus PMI if your down payment was under 20%. Let us go through each hidden cost one by one, starting with the one most first-time buyers never see coming, PMI. PMI stands for Private Mortgage Insurance. It's insurance that protects the lender, not you, if you default on the loan. PMI is required on conventional loans when your down payment is less than 20% of the purchase price. According to the Urban Institute, the majority of first-time homebuyers put down less than 20%. Most put down between 3 and 10%. PMI typically costs between 0.5 and 1.5% of your loan amount per year. On a $300,000 loan, 1% PMI is $3,000 per year, $250 a month. You're paying $3,000 per year for insurance that pays the bank, not you, if something goes wrong. PMI does not build equity. It does not improve your home. It's pure cost until your equity reaches 20%. For a median-priced home in 2026, PMI costs the average first-time buyer approximately $3,000 to $5,000 per year. Cost 2, property taxes. This one surprises buyers more than any other because the amounts are often larger than expected. Property taxes are levied annually by local governments and are based on the assessed value of your home. The average effective property tax rate in the United States is approximately 1.1% of home value per year. On a $400,000 home, 1.1% is $4,400 per year, $367 per month. In high-tax states like New Jersey, Illinois, and Connecticut, effective rates can be 2 to 3% or more. At 3% on a $400,000 home, that's $12,000 in property taxes alone. Property taxes also increase over time as home values rise. The tax bill you have today is not the tax bill you'll have in 10 years. Cost 3, maintenance. This is the cost that varies the most and the one that destroys household budgets most frequently. The widely accepted rule among financial planners is the 1% rule. Budget at least 1% of your home's value per year for maintenance. On a $400,000 home, 1% is $4,000 per year in maintenance costs. Some financial planners recommend the 50 cents per square foot rule instead, which often produces a higher and more realistic estimate. For a 2,000 square foot home, 50 cents per square foot equals $1,000 per year, but experienced homeowners know this number is consistently too low. Here's what the maintenance cost actually looks like in practice, broken down by major category. Roof. A roof replacement on an average home costs $8,000 to $15,000 and is needed every 20 to 30 years. That means you should be setting aside $400 to $500 per year just for the roof, even when it's not being replaced. HVAC. A full HVAC replacement costs $5,000 to $10,000, needed every 15 to 25 years. Water heater, appliances, plumbing, electrical, each has its own replacement timeline and cost. They don't all fail at once, but they all eventually fail. The honest number for maintenance on a median-priced home accounting for all systems is between $4,000 and $8,000 per year. Most first-time buyers budget zero for maintenance in their first year, then reality arrives. Cost 4. Homeowners insurance, required by virtually every mortgage lender and often more expensive than buyers anticipate. The national average cost of homeowners insurance in 2026 is approximately $1,500 to $2,000 per year. In states with high natural disaster risk, Florida, Texas, California, Louisiana, insurance can cost $3,000 to $5,000 or significantly more. Insurance premiums have risen significantly in recent years due to climate-related events and are expected to continue rising. Now let's add all 4 costs up and show you exactly where the $21,000 figure comes from. We'll use a $400,000 median-priced home with a 10% down payment, a common scenario for a first-time buyer. PMI at 1% on a $360,000 loan, $3,600 per year. Property taxes at the national average of 1.1% on a $400,000 home, $4,400 per year. Maintenance at 1% of home value, $4,000 per year. This is the conservative estimate. Homeowners insurance, national average, $1,800 per year. Total hidden costs above the mortgage, $13,800 per year at the conservative national average. But this is the conservative estimate. In a high-tax or high-risk state with realistic maintenance costs, the number climbs to $21,000 or more. $21,000 per year on top of your mortgage payment every year you own the home. That's $1,750 per month in hidden costs above the mortgage payment. Now let's go back to the rent versus buy comparison with the real numbers included. You're renting for $2,000 per month. You're considering buying a home with a $2,000 monthly mortgage payment. The incomplete comparison says same monthly cost. Might as well build equity. Buy the house. The complete comparison adds the hidden costs. Mortgage, $2,000 plus hidden costs, $1,750. Your true monthly cost of owning that home is $3,750, not $2,000. Compared to $2,000 in rent, owning costs $1,750 more per month. This doesn't mean renting is always better. Homeownership has real financial benefits: equity building, appreciation, stability. It means you need to enter homeownership with the full picture, not the incomplete mortgage-only picture most buyers see. So how do you prepare for these costs? Here are 4 concrete steps every prospective homeowner should take before buying. Step 1. Calculate your full monthly ownership cost, not just the mortgage. Add estimated PMI, property taxes divided by 12, maintenance reserve, and insurance. Step 2. Build a dedicated home maintenance reserve fund before you buy. Have at least 3 months of estimated maintenance costs saved before closing. Step 3. If your down payment is under 20%, understand exactly what your PMI will cost and build a plan to eliminate it. PMI can be canceled when your equity reaches 20%. You may need to request the cancellation. It's not always automatic. Step 4. Research property taxes for the specific neighborhood, not the state or city average. Tax rates vary significantly at the neighborhood level. Here's what I want you to take away from this video. Homeownership is a powerful financial tool, but it's not the simple mortgage payment most people are sold. PMI, property taxes, maintenance, insurance. These 4 costs add up to $13,000 to $21,000 per year, invisible to most buyers. The buyers who know these numbers going in are not surprised by them. They plan for them, they budgeted for them, and they're financially resilient because of it. The buyers who don't know them discover them in the first year, usually at the worst possible time. Now you know. Budget for all 4, build your reserve before you close, and go into homeownership with your eyes fully open. If this gave you one idea worth acting on, subscribe. Every week, we break down the numbers, systems, and frameworks that build real wealth. See you in the next one.